Yes, indeed. Carbon fiber crazy, man. It's gonna look real good with the interior for the Durango, you dig? What is good, YouTube? It's your boy MW2 back with another banger video. And in today's video, we're just gonna be installing this cold steering wheel right here. I'm not gonna really fully show y'all yet, but just watch the rest of the video, then you're gonna see the full installation of me and my dog Mel. Shouts out to my dog. It's a full installation video. Well, not really a full installation video, just like a little snippet of me trying to put something together for the first time. And it went pretty well. Had some flaws with it in the end, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna get it fixed. But as you see, we got the steering wheel on already, and this is just a whole new day I'm starting the intro with. But in the rest of this video, it's just gonna be me and my dog Mel taking out this old steering wheel that we had and putting on a new steering wheel and just showing the whole process of it. And we had to do like a lot of things with getting more tools and going back to shops and all that stuff to, well, not shops, to going back to stores to getting like things figured out, man. But first time modifying anything other than like fixing like an air intake on my old Mustang. But yeah, it's pretty fun, man. I was gonna take this to the shop at first, but you know, me being a car guy, why not try it myself, you know? Because like I really haven't built much yet, so I'm like, let this be my first start, and then maybe like in the future I like do more modifications to like other cars and stuff. But yeah, I just want to get my feet wet, you know, get down to some dirty work and use some little elbow grease to put on the steering wheel, you dig? As you kind of can tell, I got the steering wheel right here. I got the nice starlights and I got an exhaust too. And honestly, that's all I really wanted to do, really. For my car, my Durango is mostly complete. It's just a daily driver, so I'm not doing like nothing crazy to it. But enough of me talking. Let's get on with this video and let's get it. It's been a long time coming, man. I had this part for like almost a year now, bro. We're gonna have some fun with it. We're gonna have some fun with it. Hold on. Yes, indeed. Carbon fiber crazy, man. Gonna have fun with this. This is gonna look real good with the interior for the Durango, you dig? Let's get it. So we having difficulty with this part. We're taking out the airbag. This should be like the simplest part, but it seems like it's the hardest part right now. Give us a second, hold on. All right, we finally got this off. So let's get on with the rest of this video. All right, so we had to make another stop to the store real quick. Getting some stuff situated, man. We're slowly moving with this. We got the airbag off and stuff. Got to take this bolt out, take this weight off and some other bolts and wires, and then get this other steering wheel back on there. Not back on there, but on there, you dig? I would do a step-by-step, but you know what? I really don't feel like it today. And yeah, that's about it. Back here with my dog, Handyman Mel. We're gonna get this done. So, we having a slight issue with this bolt right here, man. We gotta find, we don't even know what size of socket we need for this, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna use an Allen key. It's gonna work too. It's gonna work somehow. We're the first ones to do this, all right? Take a steering wheel off with an Allen key. I'm claiming it right now. Ain't nobody on YouTube did this before. All right, now we finally got the wheel off. It's time to put the carbon fiber steering wheel on. Let me not break nothing. Let me just... We almost done, bro, but this is one last screw that I forgot to unscrew. My goofy self, but give us a second, man. Hold on. We almost to the next step to put the new wheel on, but
this bitch just made me stripped.
We done stripped the screw. Hold on, man. Hold on. So hold on. We gotta stop at the store again. It's all good though. We're gonna get it all done. I forgot some tools to get, and we stripped the screw, so we're gonna get that handled real quick. Hold on. Man, I messed up. It's Mel fault. Hey man, we gonna fix it, man. We gonna fix it. All right, my dog working on that. Putting back to turn on the lighting. You know, that's what we're working with right now. Where the other light at? There we go. Let's get back to it. All right, so Mel figured out how to fix the what's the shit called again? Not the screw. When we messed it up, we scratched the screw. No, we didn't scratch the screw.
Oh, yeah.
What's the word?
What word?
I'm trying to think of the word. It starts with a... Hold on. Hold on. We messed up the screw. Let's just say that. We messed up the screw. I'm correcting myself on the screen. I know what I'm talking about, but they'll know how to fix it. So we got like these tools from, we went to like different part stores and stuff to find some stuff, and some people couldn't help us, some people did, and now we here. We just figuring it out right now, just getting this last part off to the old steering wheel. Then we're gonna get the new steering wheel on, and it's gonna look crazy, man. Just wait, just wait. All right, the word is stripped. There you go. We stripped the screw. It was on the tip of my tongue, man. I just forgot about it. Hold on. Let's get it. It's about to be crazy, bro. We finally got this one done, man. Yeah, it's gonna look smooth, bro. For sure. Yes, indeed. I'm trying to tell you, this thing is gonna look so clean, bro. With the, see the red stitching and the red stitching on the interior? So clean, man. It's so clean. I'm pretty sure I messed up again. I think. I don't know, man. All right, we getting there, man. We getting there. Let's get onto the car real quick. Then we're gonna show you how the finished product. Of course, we had to handle all the wiring and stuff. Mel helped out a lot with the splicing and the wires and all that stuff. One last thing, man. We just gotta get this thing back on here. This airbag is giving us some trouble real quick. Hold on. As y'all see, ain't got no flash in it, but it's just about done. You did. There's some of the starlights, the coldest interior you did. With help from my dog, Mel's ex, great, you did. Ready that bitch at one time, Mel. Let me see the lights one time. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yes, indeed. Hold on, I'm changing my lights on this setting real quick. I'm trying to figure this out. I think left is to click it. Let's see, or is it right? Hold down on the right button. Yeah, there we go. Now I gotta change it. You can change a lot of colors on here too, but I'm gonna go all blue. Just because my car is blue, I set it by holding the left button. Then I'll let them go down. Do the same thing. I think hold that. And then change that. So you got all these colors: magenta, green, blue. Let's see. That's cool. I think I set it like that. And then let's see. We go down. We want to change that too. Pretty cool, man. I'm gonna do the all blue. That's what I want. And then I'm gonna make a video, maybe a shorts video for like updating my turn signals too, because I just gotta get a flash drive to update that. But you see, I can change the turn signals too when I get to update. And then hazard buttons, I think. And then that's hard, man. That's raw. Now that I switched the colors and stuff, and like I got it set for like 3,000 RPMs, you'll see it on time. Like, hold on. That's hard, man. I love that. I love that. All right, I'm gonna take you guys for a little drive just to see how the steering wheel looks and stuff, and then we're gonna finish up with this video, man. This thing is nice, man. Whew, makes the interior look so cool with the starlights too, man. Yes, sir. Gonna be some cold POVs coming up. Cold POVs coming up. I'm gonna turn over here. Messed up over here. Hella potholes. It's all good. Go around it. Don't worry, I might have more videos with the POV view of the steering wheel and stuff. Just a quick little snippet of how the steering wheel feels, and a little installation video almost, man. I didn't do like a full installation video, but just made it like a little fun video for y'all to watch and stuff, and see how the process went for me, my first time modding something with some help with my dog Mel. Appreciate him a lot for it. And yeah, we're gonna roll out with this video. So there you have it. That is it for this video. The installation for this Vicraze steering wheel, that's where I got this from. This is a Vicraze steering wheel. It was pretty cool. We went step by step on the video from like their page, and it was cool. It didn't help as much because that's why we messed up a little bit. and the directions it gave us wasn't like that great either. So when you guys decide to do this, if you guys decide to do this yourself, you might have to really just pay attention for real, and like just don't forget some bolts. Like I think I forgot like some bolts too, but and just like try to figure it out and take your time with it, because this actually took us all day. Free up some time for yourself too to do this installation, and or you can just take it to a shop. That'll be easier too. It's cool to see like the battery right there, like the battery voltage, and the weather that's outside, that's in Celsius, so I'm gonna change that. But yeah, so the reason why we have the engine light is because the airbag isn't fully on. It's like a little off right here. You really can't tell, but I'm gonna get that handled. I'm gonna go to a shop. But at the end, it was very worth it, man. The flash on the carbon fiber is so cold, man. The most difficult part we really had was like syncing the steering wheel with this box down here, because we had to like turn on the car and do that at the same time. But yeah, other than that part and trying to put this airbag back on, everything else was pretty smooth, step by step, if you just follow a video. And yeah, that's all I got, really. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This made my interior look so cold, man, with the screen. I'm gonna put some more carbon fiber right there probably, and maybe throughout the car. It goes with the carbon fiber on my seat belt, so that's pretty cool too. And with the starlights to finish it off, man, this is just so cool. I'm gonna get out real quick just to let y'all see it one more time. All right, do you have it, man? See it right here, the steering wheel right here, and another view going to the starlights and stuff. Definitely cold, man. This is definitely cold, bro. Love it, love it. So that is it for this video. It's your boy MWTube. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications to let y'all know when I drop new banger videos like this one, and new installation banger videos just like we did for the steering wheel. And before I end this video, I want to say shouts out to my dog Mel's ex Great, man. He helped out a lot with this video, because this is my first time trying to mod something, so he definitely helped me walk through step by step, and did a lot of installation as well on this car, on the steering wheel. But it's your boy MWTube. Don't need to be rude. Look at the view of the steering wheel, man. Ooh, that thing's so crazy, man. We out of here, y'all. Y'all stay blessed.